Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will be starting exercise 5a, question number 3. We are doing chapter number 5, which is linear equations and simple inequalities. So the question says solve each of the following equations. The given equation for part A is 3x minus 7 is equal to 4 minus 8x. In this question, we are supposed to find the value of x. For that, what you need to do is that x will be on one side of the equation and other things should be on the other side of the equation. For that, let's start doing this. If we have 3x here, and if we want to bring this minus 8x to this side of the equation, then when we bring to other side of the equation, we do the opposite. If it is being minus subtracted, then it will be positive, plus 8x. When it comes to this side, it becomes 8 plus 8x. Okay. Now this minus 7, this will take to the other side. If here it is plus sign, when it goes to the other side, it will be added, plus sign. Okay. Here we have 4. When it goes to other side, it becomes plus 7. Now we add 3x plus 8x, 11x is equal to 4 plus 7, 11. Now we need to get rid of 11. 11 is being multiplied with x. We will divide both sides with 11. So 11 ones are 11. X is equal to 1. This is the answer for this question. I'll repeat this question again so that you should know that how we did it, how we solved it. 3x minus 7 is equal to 4 minus 8x. We need the terms involving x on one side of the equation and the terms without x on the other side of the equation. So if this is 3x on this side, if we want to bring this 8x across this equation, let's suppose it is a bridge, okay, this one. So when we need to cross the bridge, we need to do opposite things. If it is minus 8x, it is being subtracted here. When it goes to the side, it will be added. So it becomes plus 8x, reverse sign, opposite side. Now, at the same time, we would like to take this minus 7 to other side of the equation. If it is here bearing minus sign, when it goes to the other side, it will be getting positive sign. So equal to 4 is here. When this one goes to other side, it becomes plus 4 plus 7. Okay. Now we add these two, 3x plus 8x, it becomes 11x. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 is being multiplied with x. We need to get rid of 11. We only want to see x alone on the left side. So divide both sides with 11. 11 ones are 11. So it means x is equal to 1. This is the answer for part A. It was very simple. Just you need to keep in mind the steps, the methodology. Now part B, we will be doing more parts so that it should be crystal clear for you. 4x minus 10 is equal to 5x plus 7. Again, the same thing, that we need to keep the terms involving x on one side of the equation and the terms without x we need to see on the other side of the equation. Here we have 4x. When we will bring this 5x to this side, here it is bearing positive side sign. So when it goes to the other side of the equation, so it will be bearing negative sign. Okay. Then at the same time, we would like to move it to the other side of the equation. Here it is minus 10. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 10. So puts this, we have this plus 7. Okay. And when we take 10 to other side, minus 10, it becomes plus 10. 4x minus 5x, it becomes minus x. 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay. Now multiply both sides with minus. It becomes minus into minus plus. Here it is minus 17. So this is the answer for question 5a. Question number 3, exercise 5a, question number 3 and part B, minus 17. So it was simple and it was similar like part A that we did before. There is no difference. So now I will be doing part C, which says 30 plus 7y is equal to 2y minus 6. Now we need to find out the value of y. For that, we would like to keep the terms involving y on one side of the equation and the terms without y on the other side of the equation. Now, if we want to see these two terms involving y on the left side, what we will do is, we will take this 30 to other side. It is plus, when it goes to the side it becomes minus. Okay, like this is minus 6, when it goes there it becomes minus 30. Then this side we have 7y, so we'll take this to this side. Here it is plus 2y, when it goes to this side it becomes minus 2y. 7 minus 2y is 5y, minus 6 minus 30 is minus 36. Divide both sides by 5, y is equal to minus 36 over 5. This is the answer. Further, we can bring it to the mixed numbers. 5 7 are 35, 1, it becomes minus 7 whole number, 1 over 5. This is the answer. So it was again very simple. It was like the other two parts that we did. So we are only left with the last part of question number 3, which is D part. D part says 2y minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 27. So similarly, we'll bring this 7y to this side. It becomes minus 7y. This is minus 27. We'll bring this minus 7 to this side, it becomes plus 7. 2y minus 7y, it becomes minus 5y. Minus 27 plus 7, it becomes minus 20. Minus sign will be minus sign on both sides, it will be cut off. Divide with 5. 5 4s are 20. Y is equal to 4. This is the answer for part D. So all 4 parts were similar steps we took. So if you can understand one or two parts, so rest of the parts are very easy for you to do. Now we will be moving to question number 4, which says solve each of the following equations. So part A, it is 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. Even in these questions, it has several parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 parts. So we need to find the value of x. So remember one thing, that this whole bracket is being multiplied with 2. So first of all, we'll finish this 2 from here. On this side, we only want to see x and all other things on the right side. So 2 is being multiplied with this. So to finish this, we will divide this side with 2 and also this side with 2. Both sides will be divided with 2. So it will be cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now we are left with x plus 3 is equal to 4. We are here to find the value of x. We will shift 3 to other side. Here it is plus 3, it becomes minus 3 when it moves to other side. 4 minus 3 is 1. So x is equal to 1 is the answer for this question. Question was 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. If you want to check whether this answer is correct, so we will place value of x in this equation. It becomes 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 8. 2 into 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is equal to 8. So both sides are equal. It means our answer is correct. So it was very simple. First we got rid of this 2 which was being multiplied by dividing both sides with 2. Then we got this and we took 3 to other side and we got the answer of part A. It was very easy, very simple. Now we will be doing part C. B is same like A. Part C is 7 into minus 2x plus 4 is equal to minus 4x. Here we will do differently because here also we have x, okay. So we will just open the bracket. 7 will be multiplied inside. 7 into 2, 14, it becomes minus 14x. 7 into 4 is 28 is equal to minus 4x. Now we have minus 14x. We will bring this minus 4x to this side. It becomes plus 4x. We will take 28 to other side. It becomes minus 28. Minus 14x plus 4x, it becomes minus 10x is equal to minus 28. We divide both sides with minus 10. It will be cut off. Divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 14s are 28. 14 over 5 is the answer for x. Further, we can convert it into mixed numbers by dividing 5 2s are 10. 4. It becomes 2 whole number 4 over 5. So this is the value of x. This is the answer. So it was very simple. So we did it easily. Now we will be doing other parts also. These are very simple. Part D, if we do, it is 3 into 2 minus 0.4x is equal to 18. Here we don't have x here, so simply we can divide both sides with 3. It is gone. 3 6 are 18. So 2 minus 0.4x is equal to 6. We will like to shift this to other side. We are left with minus 0.4x. 6 is plus 2. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 2. It becomes 4 minus 0.4x. We'll divide both sides with minus 0.4. It is gone. This is gone. So this is minus 4 over 0.4. Now we'll cancel this and make like this 4 over 10. So when we have this division and then again division, then this whole becomes upside down, like 10 over 4 upside down. This is gone. So minus 10 is the answer for part D. Now we will be doing part G, which seems slightly different. Part G is 3 into 2y plus 3 3 into 2y plus 3 is equal to 4y plus 3. First of all, we'll open this bracket. We have this 3. it is being multiplied inside, so we'll multiply it with all. 3 2s are 6, it becomes 6y plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 4y plus 3. Now we have 6y, we'll bring this 4y to this side, it is plus 4y, it becomes minus 4y. This 9 will go to the other side, it becomes minus 9. 6 minus 4 is 2, 2y is equal to 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Divide both sides with 2, y is equal to minus 3. This is the answer for this part. It was very simple and we did it easily within no time. Then we'll be doing part number I. I part says 3 into y plus 2 is equal to 2 into y plus 4. We'll just open both the brackets, both sides. 3 into y, it becomes 3y plus 3 into 2, 6. 2 into y is 2y. 2 into 4 is 8. Now we have 3y. We'll bring 2y to this side, it becomes minus 2y. This side we have 8. We'll bring this side, this 6, it becomes minus 6. 3y minus 2y is equal to y. 8 minus 6 is 2. So y is equal to 2. This is the answer for part I. It was very easy, very simple, and we did it easily. Now we'll be doing part number M, which says 9 into 2d plus 7 is equal to 11 into d plus 14. Just open the brackets on both the sides. 9 into 2, it becomes 18d plus 9 7s are 63. 11 to d is 11d plus 11 to 14 is how much? We will multiply. 154. Now we have 18d. We bring this side 11d, it becomes minus 11d. We have 54. 63 will go to the other side, it becomes minus 63. It is 70 is equal to 154 minus 63. It becomes 91. Now divide both sides with 7. 7 13s are 91. D is equal to 13. This is the answer for part M. So it was very easy question. So the best part of these questions is that all the parts are all of similar nature, similar steps we do again and again. So it gives you an opportunity of more practice if you learn to do one or two parts. So rest of the parts are for the practice. So it becomes strong. Your math becomes stronger because you have more questions available for practice. Now we will be doing question number 5, part A. Solve each of the following equations. 1 over 3x is equal to 7. We need to find the value of x. We don't need this. So what to do is, see, 3 is being multiplied here. Divided. 1 over 3 means 3 is divided by x. Okay. So if we multiply both sides with 3, 3 will be cut with 3. So x will become 7 to 3, 21. So x is equal to 21 is the answer for part A. It was very simple, one step question. Similarly, we have part B, which is similar. 3 over 4x is equal to minus 6. We don't want to see 3 or 4 here. So what to do is that to finish this 4, this is divided by 4, okay? We will multiply by 4. This 3 is multiplied with x, we will divide with 3. So on the both sides, we will do like same thing. By this way, 4 will be cut with 4, 3 will cut with 3. So x becomes 3 2s are 6, minus 2 4s are minus 8. Minus 8 is the answer. Another way I can tell you that, see, on the left side of the equation 4 is being divided. When it goes to the other side it becomes multiplication. So we say 3x is equal to minus 6 into 4. Here 3 is being multiplied. When it goes to the other side it becomes divided. So it is gone. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are minus 8. So both the methods are same. Okay. So do whatever in whatever way you want to do. Simple questions. Then we will be doing part C. It says 1 over 3x plus 3 is equal to 4. In this question, remember one thing, that first we need to get rid of plus or minus, then we will be thinking about this. Okay. So what to do is 1 over 3x is equal to 4. We will take 3 to other side. It is bearing plus sign. When it goes to other side it will be getting minus sign. Okay. 1 over 3x is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we need to get rid of 3. We don't need 3 here. It is being divided here. So multiply both sides with 3. 3 will cut off. X is equal to 1 into 3, 3. 3 is the answer for part C. Now we will be doing part F, the last part. 15 minus 2 over 5y is equal to 11. Here, first of all, we will be moving this 15 to other side. After that, we will be thinking about this. So how to move this to other side is, here it is bearing positive sign. When it moves to other side, it will be bearing the negative sign. This remains the same. Minus 2 over 5 y, this remains the same. 11, it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 15. 11 minus 15 is minus 4 is equal to minus 2 over 5 y. Minus can be cancelled on both the sides. Okay. So now we have 2 over 5 is equal to y is equal to 4. Now 5 is being divided here. When it goes to the other side it will be multiplied. It becomes 4 into 5. Here we have 2y. 20 is equal to 2y. 2 is being multiplied here. So if we will divide both sides with 2, 2 gone with 2, 2 tens are 20. So y is equal to 10. This is the answer for part F. So we have done several parts of question number 5. It was again easy to do, simple steps. All the parts were almost